Good day guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to change text color in Visual Studio. So guys, if you want, you can also use this CSS text template official from this example in here. So you can just copy this and as you can see we have the body, then we have the color and H2 as well. So just paste this in here. And guys, this is actually pretty simple. So you just need to insert the text, which is going to be in the body, for example, sample text, and then of course end it like this. Then you type in color, and as you can see, we have, for example, red, and if we press on this little button, we can actually adjust any color that we want. As you can see, RGB, and it's almost instantly changes. You can turn it into, say, violet. Bam, as you can see now it's changed. Basically, you can adjust it. So as you can see, quite easy. So just pretty much insert this color, then close it with bracket, and you will have this setting to change the color. Enjoy guys, hopefully this helps you. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe and leave a comment if this helped. See you soon guys.